Hello and welcome back to Third Degree Food. I am Sam Caterer and today I'm going to be showing you one of the most incredible desserts. Really simple, 4 ingredients, and it's in the shape and form of a pistachio cheesecake. This is absolutely delicious and so simple to make. If you've got friends coming over in the afternoon or you just want to impress someone with an incredible dessert that's really simple to make. It takes about 10 minutes thereabouts, 4 ingredients, and it could not be simpler. Goes nowhere near an oven. It's just a really nice, no cook, easy cheesecake. The ingredients we need are fresh pistachios. These have been shelled, but you can buy them in a pack from various shops. Amaretti biscuits. Got some pistachio cream, which I'll show you how to make in another video, but it's really simple. And if you can't be bothered to make it, then you can buy a jar from a local Italian delicatessen. And then, of course, we've got our mascarpone cheese. This is fresh, straight out the fridge mascarpone. Absolutely delicious, and it's all you need for your cheesecake. You can use Philadelphia and other brands like that, but you have to sweeten those. With a mascarpone, I find it just works straight away with the pistachio crema. So let's get into it. First of all, we're going to take our mascarpone and we're going to just plonk it in our bowl. Let that sit there for a moment whilst we crush our amaretti biscuits. Then we're going to take half of our pistachio cream. Just drop that in the bowl. Now this is fresh out the fridge, and so we want that to slightly warm so it can amalgamate rather easier. What we're going to do is we're going to crush our amaretti biscuits with a rolling pin, nice and rudimentary. You don't want to crush them too much because you want a bit of bite in there when you arrange in the glasses. But this is literally as simple as it gets for maximum effect with your guests. Remember, you can follow us online on all our social medias. Go to thirddegreefood.com, and of course our merchandise store. You can get all sorts of aprons, gloves, trivets, cups, caps, the lot. And if you are watching, if you've got a minute, why don't you give us a little like and subscribe down below. Trust me, this dessert is well worth a like. There we go. So we're nice and smashed up in there. Just pop it to one side. As you can see, it's got a little bit of form to it still. It's not just powder, although there is a bit of powder in there, but that all goes nicely in the layers of the cheesecake in your serving glass. Okay, so what we're going to do now is mix our mascarpone and pistachio crema together. You don't need any sugar in here. There's enough sugar in the pistachio creme that we made earlier. Very simple. Just 2 ingredients in this bowl, mascarpone and the pistachio crema. I'm just going to mix these together just quickly. You get a bit of air in there so it's nice and light. Yeah, that's all we need. Put those over here. So far what we've done is we've smashed up our amaretti biscuits. We've mixed our mascarpone and our pistachio crema. Next up, we need to chop our pistachios. Now these are the topping for the dessert, and it just completely transforms the dessert from something boring to something absolutely incredible. Now it looks like quite a lot, but these bash down to a really nice amount, and the dust and all that goes over the top. Goes down there. Cheeky. Very simple. So we start in a sort of a 90-degree action, just chopping around. You don't have to be too precise. You can download our ingredients list PDF from the link down below as well in the description. And don't forget to give us a little follow on Instagram, Third Degree Food. And share the video to your mates because this is absolutely wicked. honestly, it's the summer dessert which will blow your friends away. If you've got no ice cream in the freezer, you can quickly knock one of these up 20 minutes before they arrive, and oh my God, it is just incredible. Absolutely incredible dessert, I've got to say. So we're nearly finished chopping these up. Like I say, it looks like a lot, but you're going to dress the top of your serving glasses and it's going to be like purpley green, like just absolutely incredible. Okay, let's get this back on here. One more pass with the chopper. There we go. So we'll just pop these over here. So we're going to start to arrange our desserts now. Got 4 here. The amounts you need really are 8 amaretti biscuits for each glass, there or thereabouts, smashed up. You need 250 grams of mascarpone cheese. You need about 150 grams of pistachio crema, and you just need a good handful of pistachios. That is it. It's absolutely that simple, so easy to make. So let's get to it, arranging our glasses. And it really is this simple. It's fantastic, easy dessert, easy to make, and really it has a wow factor for your guests. And just nice to eat just straight after you've had your dinner. Really good. I'll just get a quick spoon to serve the next layer. So what we want to do is go in, you need 2 spoons for this. Get a good dollop of your mixture and just pop it in there. And you want to layer these up just a little equally, really. You don't want to overfill because it's all about layers. Let's make sure they're all good. Yeah. Okay. Then we go in for another layer of the smashed up amaretti. I first had this dish in a Neapolitan pizza restaurant in Rome, and it absolutely blew me away straight after we had a margarita. Although I've got to say it's quite hard to find decent pizza in Rome. We found a really good, correct me if I'm wrong by the way, we found a really good Neapolitan pizzeria, and they served this as a dessert, and I was all over it because I love pistachio and this is just an incredible dessert. So we got our first layer in there, 2 layers of amaretti, and then we're going to top it off with our top layer. 1, 2. Like I say, you don't have to be too precise with this, but you want to get all that goodness out the bowl. See which is lacking, just top it up. Absolutely incredible. Let's just scrape the bowl out. And the mascarpone is just a game changer. If you want a perfect balanced, cheesecake, it's got a real nice dry base level flavour that a cheesecake needs. Okay, right, so we're in the zone. We want to just smear this a little bit around in here, just so you create a little barrier. Because you're going to top this with the rest of the pistachio crema. Just use the spoon and guide it. Okay. And what you can see here are the layers between the pistachio crema and the amaretti biscuits. You've got 2 nice layers there. And then what we're going to do, we're going to top off It was just divine. Can't wait for the actual dessert. So you're going to top off the top of your dessert with a good dollop of the pistachio crema. I mean, this is like so simple to make and so effective. So I just need to empty this, all of it, onto the, get all of this gear out of here. Nice and sticky. Okay. Okay, so what you want to do is just smear this around the top layer of your dessert. Okay. And on that. So simple to make. And a real impressive dessert for a summer little barbecue or get together, what have you. Okay. There we go. Okay, these over here. Now we're going to dress the top, to give a little wipe down. We're going to dress the top of the pistachio cheesecakes with our chopped pistachios that we made just before. Now, this is a real incredible dessert. I highly recommend you try this at home. It's so simple. You've just seen how easy it is. It takes 5 minutes. Give us a little follow on thirddegreefood.com. Like and subscribe down below if you don't mind. And as I say, you can get all the ingredients from the recipe card straight off the description down below as well. Right, let's dress the top of these desserts. It's fantastic. You can never have too much pistachio in my book. So you look like quite a lot of pistachios, but it doesn't go very far when you're dressing your desserts. 3 and a 4th. Just come over here. So simple. So delicious. And there we go. 4 absolutely incredible desserts. You can pop them in the fridge for a little bit later on when your guests arrive. I'm going to have one now and grab myself a little spoon and get into it. It is a very hot day today, I must say. Absolutely gorgeous. Highly recommend. You've got a barbecue, friends coming over, or just some comfort food whilst you're watching the TV. This is the absolute one. It's delicious. Absolutely full of flavour. Not too sweet. It's the perfect cheesecake. Trust me. Give it a go at home. And the bang these in the fridge. And I'm going to finish this. So I've been Sam Caterer. Thank you very much for watching. This has been Third Degree Food. And I'll see you again.